To be clear, just so we crystal claro, tickets to this event are free. I repeat, Fox, Romeo, Echo, Frisky. But we are giving you a place to donate if you want to sow a seed into that sound. If you have heard our music, if you appreciate the message, if you fill in the bars, if you check the technique, if it's something that you want to support and see more of, we are just giving you an avenue to do so. We're making it easier. And there are also going to be more opportunities at the show to sow into the group. If you don't want to donate right now, that's cool. But please understand, we want you guys to go online. Buy your tickets online, eventbrite.com. The link is in the description. And come to the event, bro. I promise you it's going to be something you don't want to miss. We about to put on.